5 easy chickpea recipes to lower cholesterol, science-backed. Boost your health with black beans. Try these science-backed recipes today. 5 easy chickpea recipes to lower cholesterol, science-backed. The cholesterol-crushing power of chickpeas, evidence-based recipes you need to try. July 6, 2025. Chickpeas contain powerful plant compounds that actively reduce cholesterol levels in your bloodstream. And here's the truly remarkable part. Research shows that consuming just 1 cup of chickpeas daily for 3 months can transform dangerous cholesterol readings into heart-healthy ones. Below, we've gathered the most affordable and straightforward recipes that produce these impressive results. But here's where it gets interesting. The specific way these recipes work might surprise even health experts. Not all legumes deliver identical health benefits, despite their similar appearances. While black beans excel at combating persistent low-grade inflammation, chickpeas demonstrate superior cholesterol-lowering capabilities, according to groundbreaking research recently published by scientists at Illinois Institute of Technology. During a comprehensive 12-week investigation, researchers divided approximately 48 pre-diabetic participants into 3 groups. One group consumed a daily cup of black beans, another ate chickpeas, and a control group prepared white rice instead. By the conclusion of just 3 months, researchers observed remarkable differences between groups. Black bean consumers showed significant improvements in inflammation markers, while the chickpea group experienced more dramatic cholesterol improvements. The chickpea eaters transitioned from concerning cholesterol levels, averaging around 200 mg per deciliter, to a much healthier range, 186 mg per deciliter. The science behind chickpeas' cholesterol-fighting abilities. The varying health advantages of different beans likely stem from their unique chemical compositions that give each legume its distinctive color and properties. The phytochemicals responsible for black beans' dark coloration possess stronger anti-inflammatory characteristics, while golden chickpeas contain higher concentrations of phytosterols, natural compounds scientifically proven to lower cholesterol. This explains why nutrition experts consistently advocate consuming a diverse spectrum of colorful plant foods, including fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. By incorporating a wide variety of vibrant whole foods into your diet, you'll benefit from what lead researcher Indica Ederising describes to Business Insider as the complex natural food matrix unique to each food. Each bean contains protein, lipids, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, he explained, but in different combinations from bean to bean. Someone could theoretically create an artificial bean by combining all these nutrients, but I seriously doubt it would produce identical effects. Joel Ramdial, a registered dietitian and nutrition director at Southeast Missouri State University's Department of Sports Sciences, who wasn't involved in this research, told Business Insider that beans represent one of the most nutrient-dense and versatile sources of dietary fiber available, making them an exceptional ingredient to incorporate into your meals. Their versatility is remarkable. You can blend them into various dishes, roast them for a crunchy snack, add them to soups, or mix them into sauces, he noted. To simplify the process for study participants trying to include a daily cup of chickpeas in their diets, Ederising's team provided them with canned chickpeas, measuring cups, and several straightforward recipes. Here are 5 scientist-approved chickpea recipes to reduce cholesterol. Zesty ranch-flavored chickpea snack. Ingredients. * 2 cans, 15 ounces each, of chickpeas, thoroughly drained and rinsed. * half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. * 2 tablespoons of ranch seasoning mix. Preparation steps. 1. Set your oven to preheat at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Thoroughly dry the chickpeas using paper towels. 3. Arrange them in a single, even layer across a large baking sheet. 4. Bake until they develop a golden, crispy exterior, approximately 30 minutes. 5. Transfer the hot chickpeas to a large mixing bowl and toss with oil and ranch seasoning. 6. Return them to the baking sheet and continue baking for an additional 5 minutes. 7. Remove from oven and allow to cool. They'll continue crisping during this process. Mediterranean chickpea salad with cucumber, tomato and feta. Ingredients. * 1 can, 15 ounces, of chickpeas, thoroughly drained and rinsed. * 1 large cucumber, diced into bite-sized pieces. Asterisk 1 pint of cherry tomatoes, preferably multicolored for visual appeal, halved. Asterisk 1/2 white onion, finely chopped. Asterisk half a cup of crumbled feta cheese. Asterisk a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil. Asterisk 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Asterisk salt and freshly ground pepper to taste. Asterisk 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro, finely chopped. Preparation steps. 1. In a spacious mixing bowl, combine cucumber, tomato, chickpeas, and onion. 2. In a separate smaller bowl, whisk together the oil and vinegar, then season with salt and pepper. 3. Pour the dressing over the vegetable mixture and toss until evenly coated. 4. Finish by sprinkling feta and cilantro on top before serving. Sweet and savory honey sesame chickpeas. Ingredients. Asterisk 1 can, 15 ounces, of chickpeas, drained and rinsed. Asterisk 1 small onion, finely diced. Asterisk 2 cloves of garlic, minced. Asterisk half a cup of honey. Asterisk 1/3 cup of soy sauce. Asterisk 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil. Asterisk 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. Asterisk 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Asterisk 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. Asterisk 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Asterisk cooked rice for serving. Asterisk sesame seeds and sliced scallions for garnish. Preparation steps. 1. Combine diced onion, minced garlic, honey, soy sauce, sesame oil, vinegar, vegetable oil, red pepper flakes, and grated ginger in a medium saucepan. 2. Add a small amount of water and bring the mixture to a boil. 3. Reduce heat to a simmer and cook for 5 to 10 minutes until slightly thickened. 4. Add the chickpeas and return to a boil. 5. Lower heat to medium-low and continue simmering for 10 minutes until chickpeas are well coated and sauce has thickened. 6. Serve over freshly cooked rice and garnish with sesame seeds and sliced scallions if desired. Lemon-infused chickpeas with tender leeks. Ingredients. Asterisk 2 cups of chickpeas. Asterisk 4 leeks, cleaned and sliced. Asterisk 1/2 lemon. Asterisk 1 sprig of fresh rosemary. Asterisk 1 clove of garlic. Asterisk a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil. Asterisk salt to taste. Preparation steps. 1. Heat olive oil, garlic, and rosemary in a large skillet over medium heat. 2. Once the garlic becomes fragrant and rosemary begins to sizzle, remove the rosemary and set aside. 3. Add leeks to the pan along with a generous pinch of salt. 4. Cook while stirring frequently until leeks become soft and sweet but maintain their green color, approximately 5 to 8 minutes. 5. Incorporate the chickpeas and continue cooking for 5 more minutes, turning them in the oil until they slightly darken. 6. Using a microplane or zester, add several scrapes of lemon zest to the pan, plus a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. 7. Stir thoroughly to combine all flavors. 8. Adjust seasoning with additional lemon juice, zest, or salt according to your preference. Crispy chickpea Mediterranean gyros. Ingredients. Asterisk 1 can, 15 ounces, of chickpeas, drained and are. Boost your health with black beans. Try these science-backed recipes today. Imagine this, a single cup of black beans could be your secret weapon against inflammation. It sounds almost too good to be true, but science backs it up. Let's dive into the fascinating world of beans and discover 4 delicious recipes that can boost your health in a big way. Beans are nutritional powerhouses, packed with fiber and protein. But here's where it gets even more exciting. Recent research suggests that consuming just 1 cup of black beans daily can significantly lower low-grade inflammation in your body. This is a game changer, especially for those at risk of chronic diseases. Researchers at the Illinois Institute of Technology conducted a groundbreaking study that revealed the potent anti-inflammatory properties of black beans. They provided a group of participants with prediabetes a 3-month supply of canned black beans, instructing them to incorporate 1 cup into their daily diet for 12 weeks. Another group ate white rice instead. Participants got creative with their beans, mixing them into soups, topping salads, and more. The key was to ensure they consumed a cup of black beans every day. This practice is already common in the blue zones, areas known for their inhabitants' exceptional longevity. The study's findings suggest that this habit can benefit anyone looking to improve their health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. The deep, rich color of black beans isn't just for show, it's thanks to plant chemicals called polyphenolic compounds. These compounds have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which may explain why black beans are so effective at combating inflammation. In the study, participants who ate black beans saw a significant decrease in their levels of interleukin-6, IL-6, a key marker of inflammation. Lead researcher Indika Ederizing, a professor of food science and nutrition at IIT, emphasizes the simplicity of incorporating black beans into your diet. There's no rocket science, he says. It's very simple, and there's a great opportunity here to become healthy. To help participants get started, Ederizing and his team provided several delicious black bean recipes. Here are 4 of the easy and tasty recipes that participants used during the study. 1. Taco salad in a jar. Ingredients: 1 15 ounces can of black beans, rinsed and warmed up. 1 pound ground turkey. 2 cups of frozen corn, thawed and warmed up. 1 head of romaine, chopped. 1 cup of shredded pepperjack cheese. 1 cup of diced tomatoes. 1 tablespoon taco seasoning. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Salt. Directions: 1. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. 2. Add the turkey, season with taco seasoning and salt, and cook until golden and cooked through, about 8 to 10 minutes. Set aside to cool. 3. Layer the turkey, black beans, corn, romaine, cheese, and tomatoes in 6 mason jars. 4. Refrigerate until ready to eat. 2. Black bean brownies. Ingredients: 1 15 ounces can of black beans, drained and rinsed. Half a cup of oats. Half a teaspoon baking powder. 2 tablespoons cacao powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Half a cup maple syrup. 1/4 cup coconut oil. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1/3 cup chocolate chips, plus extra for topping. Directions: 1. Preheat your oven to 350 F. 2. Combine all ingredients except the chocolate chips in a food processor and blend until very smooth. 3. Stir in the chocolate chips. 4. Pour the mixture into a well-greased 8x8 pan. 5. Sprinkle extra chocolate chips on top if desired. 6. Bake for 15 to 18 minutes. 7. Let cool for at least 10 minutes before cutting. If they still look undercooked, refrigerate for an hour to firm up. 3. Chicken, quinoa, and black bean chili verde. Ingredients: 1 15 ounces can of black beans, rinsed. 1 rotisserie chicken, shredded. 6 cups of chicken broth. 1 cup of quinoa. 1 16 ounces jar of salsa verde. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 large onion, diced. 1 tablespoon of canola oil. 1 tablespoon of ground cumin. Salt. Sour cream and cilantro, for serving. Directions: 1. Heat the oil in a large pot over medium heat. 2. Cook the onion and garlic until tender, about 6 minutes. 3. Add the cumin and season with salt. 4. Add the beans, chicken, and salsa verde, and stir until combined. 5. Add 5 cups of chicken broth and quinoa, and bring to a boil. 6. Reduce the heat and simmer until the quinoa is tender, about 20 minutes. 7. If the quinoa absorbs most of the liquid, add the extra cup of chicken broth. 8. Serve with sour cream and cilantro. 4. Cowboy caviar. Ingredients: 1 cup of black beans. 1 cup of corn. 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, quartered. 1 small red onion, finely chopped. 2 orange bell peppers, chopped. 1 avocado, chopped. 1 teaspoon salt. Half a teaspoon cumin. 1/3 cup of lime juice. 1/3 cups of extra virgin olive oil. 3 tablespoons of chopped fresh cilantro. 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. Tortilla chips for serving. Directions. 1. In a small bowl, combine the olive oil, lime juice, cilantro, hot sauce, cumin, and salt. 2. In a large bowl, combine the remaining ingredients, except the chips. 3. Pour the dressing from the small bowl into the large bowl and toss until well combined. 4. Serve with tortilla chips. And this is the part most people miss: the simplicity of incorporating black beans into your diet. It's not about making drastic changes, it's about small, consistent steps that can lead to significant health benefits. But here's a controversial thought: could other types of beans offer similar benefits? The study focused on black beans, but it's worth exploring if other varieties like kidney beans or pinto beans could also help reduce inflammation. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's spark a conversation about the power of beans and their potential to transform our health. 5 easy